So this is the end result of water that's been managed for over 2,500 years. This is Birkat Al Mouz, and the water's coming from a canal in the valley, and it's coming through the castle, past the mosque, through men's and women's cleaning areas, bathhouses and bath washing areas, and then divided through the valley and through the other farming villages. This is a very large, very extensive system. It comes a very long way, and it's ancient. So we have a wall inside the farming system, which is mostly dates and forage crop for the animals. But the water is on top of the wall at this stage. So if I go up the steps inside the wall, and watch my head, it's pretty tight. Oh my goodness. Up these stone stairs, I'm up on top of the wall, and this is the water channel on top of the wall. So it's dropping as slowly as possible from the source, which is quite a long way from here. And although it's down at ground level and it's distributed through different parts of the system, we also have a high distribution up here, keeping the water as high as possible, as long as possible. So 2,000 years of intricately managing this system has set it up pretty well. We have a system ready to be planted. There's little banks, flood banks in between each crop field that can be flooded from one of the gates in this channel. So you can see the channel can be divided, and each little section goes off to a crop field which is ready to be planted. This is water planning at an extreme level. You've got to be pretty confident in these staircases. I'm quite a long way off the ground. I'm going to try and film as I go down these rock steps, which are just hanging out off the wall, by the way. There we go. There. I made it. Well, look at that for a staircase. No work, health, place and safety on this job.